guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing my first Birchbox unboxing, and I thought I'd come by and show you guys because it's been about 3 years since I've done a Birchbox unboxing. I had one years ago I got for free, so I thought, okay, let me just do an unboxing for it, but I didn't end up redoing it for myself. But I saw them advertising all over Facebook and on Instagram about that you can get a free box if you order for your first time or something like that. So I went ahead and I got my delivery yesterday, and today's Saturday, so I thought I'd come by and show you. So this is the box that it came in, and I got 2 of them, so I was so happy. Can't wait to see what's inside. So we're going to start with one box first, and then we're going to get into the other box. This one, I'm not too sure what's inside these boxes, so you know, I know it's 5 products you get. I know they ask you for your skin, skincare routine, what kind of color skin you have, kind of hair texture, and all of that stuff on the website. Whoa, I love this box. It's kind of small as well and cute. Oh my gosh, I see why people collect these things. So that's the box. It says Birchbox Cath, Kidston. I think I've seen this in TK Maxx a lot. I like to shop around and I'm always seeing it, and I love the packaging on this. Definitely I love the packaging. I like anything floral. So we're going to open the box, and inside the box we see this. So we're going to do this one by one, bit by bit, to see. It's my first time, so okay, let's take out all the papers first. So we get a leaflet explaining what's inside the April box, and we have another leaflet. Okay, and this is with 15% off because they're celebrating 25 years. Wow, with Cath Kidston. So yeah, so this is the back, and that's the discount code. Well, not, yeah, it's like a discount code, but you have to go on Birchbox to use it, I guess. So inside this month's box we have a Cath Kidston hand cream. Looks like this. It's super cute. It looks just like the box. So it's a Cath Kidston hand cream, and it is fragrance with jasmine and orange flower. I'm definitely going to try this one now. It said apply desired amount and gently massage into hands. Yeah, definitely gonna try that one out. Let's see on the leaflet how much this is. Oops, I just dropped it. The hand cream, oh, it's a full size. It's a full size hand cream, and it is normally £2.50, and it says it is great to put in your handbag. It is great floral scented. If you like a floral scented hand cream, I love anything floral scented, give it to me, thank you very much. And it leaves a soft, silky, smooth feeling to the hands. I really want to try that. Alright, so let's get through the box. I don't want to talk too much about one thing because I have 2 boxes to talk about today. So next is this sleeping cream. Overnight bright sleeping cream. Oh, I'm here for that. You know, I'm getting older. I'm 34 years old, so I need to start looking after my skin. This is Lumine. Hopefully you can see that. Lumine Nordic Sea Overnight Bright Sleeping Cream, and I guess it's got vitamin C inside there. So the Nordic Overnight Brightening Cream, it's forget 10-step skincare routines and I can't talk today. Skincare routines and fancy facial. This moisturizer does the hard work for you while you catch all the important Z's. Cloudberry seed extract, vitamin C and hydrochloric acid work in harmony to replenish your skin's natural moisture levels and restore luminosity to your complexion. I'm all for that. I want to try that. I'm going to do that tonight. After I take all my makeup off, I'm definitely going to try this night sleeping cream right here. So next, I already see it poking out, is this mask. I'm very intrigued to try it because I've got locks, and I always want to keep my locks moisturized, even though I don't use too much conditioner. But this is a nourishing deep conditioner which moisturizes and revitalizes all hair types, and it is sulfate free, paraben free, gluten free, and it doesn't have any drying alcohol. And it is great moisturizing treatment which revitalizes the hair with Manoi coconut oil from Tahiti, and it is good for softening and rehydrating your hair. Ooh, sounds good. Definitely gonna give this one a try next time I do wash my locks. So yeah, that sounds good. Let's see if that's on the leaflet. The Haas Mask. It's coconut oil nourishing deep conditioner, and this is £2.49. So that is good already. So far we got over what this box cost, and the Lumine cream regular price is £29.50, and I'm glad that I got a chance to, you know, get a sample of that. So if I do like it, I'll definitely try that night cream out. Next I see this little cutie hair, and it is called Fill and Tame Brow Gel. So cute and small. Let's see what this is about. The Beautinique Beauty Fill and Tame Brow Gel in brunette, blonde and black. You show unruly brow hairs who's boss with this easy to use formula, starting in the edge of your brow and movement outwards. Use short strokes to define and shape with the precision tip brush. The vegan formula is enriched with nourishing aloe leaf extract and glycerine, so it's not risk for crunchy and sticky brow hairs. Sorry for the mumbling today. I don't know why I can't talk properly, but I am very, very happy and just like can't read properly right now. But yeah, this is a full-size product as well, and this is £8.60. So I like the packaging of this. Is pink and green. £8.60. If I do like it, I'll see if I could definitely repurchase this, but I really like one I got from L'Oreal and from Barry M that I'm using, and I really love it. And last I see in this box, yes, lastly, is the Model Co Baked Highlighter in Froze or Frost Froze. So let's open this. Let's see what it looks like. It's kind of tiny. I guess it's a tester, that's why it's so small. This it's so cute. This is how small it is. It's as small as my lips. It looks like one of them single eyeshadow palettes that you get. Ooh, okay. So this is the color. It's like a white, silvery kind of highlighter. It's got some pink freckles as well. Don't know if you can see that. You see them? So it's a baked highlighter in Froze. Let's swatch this beauty right here and see if it matches my skin tone. Because as my first box, I'm not sure if they know actually, or just send out anything to me just because they want to get rid of what they have. So I'm going to just put it on the back of my hand. Oh, it's very shiny, isn't it? It's kind of like a pink frosted. It gives like a nice glazed look. I think once you blend it in, it will look nice on my skin tone, so I'll definitely try that out. As I'm not wearing any highlighter right now, I think I'll put some on my face. Oh, I hope I didn't do too much now. Let's just do that. Oh, it definitely gives a nice warm glow. Oh, I still got some more. How much do I have on my finger? Let's just put the rest on my nose. It definitely gives a definitely gives a nice warm kind of glow to the skin. I think more is on this side than that side, but you can still see that before I didn't have much on my face. So I see there's another colour. I definitely would have preferred probably the other colour, but this is alright. I'll definitely make it work with my other highlighters, or I just go for like a glazed look. This is the kind of look that gives I really like it so far. But yeah, this is box 1 of my Birchbox unboxing, and it's a Cat Kidston one. I really like this box so far. The stuff is in there that I'll definitely try out. So let's get into the other box.